Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Honda Civic in neutral with a dead battery. First, you need to locate the shift lock release. This is typically a small plastic cover near your gear shifter. Gently pry it off using a flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool. This will expose the shift lock release mechanism, which is essential for the next step. Be careful not to damage the surrounding trim. Now that you have access to the shift lock release, insert your car key or a small, sturdy tool into the slot. Press and hold it down firmly. This action bypasses the electronic shift lock, allowing you to manually move the gear shifter. While still holding the key or tool down, carefully move the gear shifter from park into the neutral position. You should feel it click into place. Safety is paramount when performing this task. Before you begin, always ensure your parking brake is fully engaged to prevent any unexpected movement. If your vehicle is on an incline, it is crucial to place wheel chocks behind the tires for added security. Remember, never attempt to push the vehicle by yourself. Always have at least one other person to assist and maintain control. With your Honda Civic now in neutral, it can be safely moved or towed to a repair shop or a location where you can address the dead battery. It is important to resolve the battery issue promptly to restore all vehicle functions. For any specific details or variations, always refer to your Honda Civic's owner's manual, as it provides the most accurate information for your particular model.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.